Hey guys, so I see a couple of guys here. They're protesting Black Lives Matter. I want to talk to them real quick, see if they want to talk to us, and see what's going on. So let's see here. So here's a young man. He has a sign in front of him. Black Lives Matter. I don't see he's black, but do you know what it means?
I will never understand the pain or the hurt that anyone who is a person of color has ever gone through. But I want them to know that I do stand with them in solidarity, and I'm here for you. I'm a shoulder to lean on, and I'm a person to talk to, and a person to march in the street with you, because while I will never understand your pain, I don't want you to go through it anymore. And these three lovely people joined me. I was here alone, and these three lovely people came and helped me, and they've been incredibly supportive, and people have brought us food, and this is just a movement, and people need to love each other and be nice to each other and just respect each other. And that's, yeah.
Thank you so much for what you're doing. I'm an immigrant myself, and I appreciate what you're doing, because we need a lot of support from you guys, you know, and I'm very proud of you. If you don't mind, can I ask you, how old are you?
I'm 23. I do have a job. I am educated. I have a degree. But it is so important that we all love each other, because this country is built off the backs of immigrants, and people refuse to recognize that, and it's a shame.
So that's beautiful. I mean, this country has a bright future. We have young people like that, and they're supporting the cause, and they understand the cause. They're just standing in the blistering rain right now. They're just. I saw this young man passing by. And this young one has been standing here for how long now?
With my fellow peers over here about an hour. We've been here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is not just a matter of black people just talking about it. This is all of us. This is America, right? So I see a Caucasian person, a white guy, a young man with a college degree, and he's talking to us. He understands why he's talking about it and what the issue is. So we have another young lady. Can we talk to you?
Okay.
Sure. And what's your name?
Sabrina.
So here's Sabrina with us, and she has the same sign. Can I please look at your sign? Unity is the solution. So
love creates unity.
Love creates unity. I mean, I love what these young people are doing right now. So what do you think? You are not black, so why are you standing up for black people and immigrants and brown people and people of color?
For anyone treated unfairly due to what they look like or put down because they don't have the same privilege and they don't look like us, it's not right.
That's beautiful. See, this makes me so happy. Talking to these young people who are not black, who are not brown like me, but they understand our pain. They're standing up for us. Thank you so much, Sabrina.
Yes, thank you to you.
Thank you. So hey, we have a couple of other people here, and would you like to talk to us? Sure. What's your name?
Zariah.
Zariah, why are you standing here?
I'm standing here for the injustice. We need justice. There's too many times. We are all human beings, and we need equality. There are so many of us Black Americans who are struggling, who are being unjust, who are being treated unjustly, and so we need justice. We are all equal, and we should be treated that way.
Beautiful, beautiful. Have you ever faced any racism yourself, you think?
Yes, I have. I have been walking and someone, a Caucasian person may cross the street just because they are holding on to the purse. And I think that is, we are all human beings and we are all created by God. And for us to be treated that way, it is unfair.
Beautiful, beautiful. But see, we have a hope here. We have not many people, but they're from all races. We have white people. I'm brown. I'm immigrant. I have a black person here, a brown person here, a white person. They're all standing for justice. They're all standing for peace. May I speak with you, sir? I have another gentleman here. May I speak with you, please?
Sure.
What's your name?
My name is Alan. I'm also an immigrant to this country, so I definitely know what it's like to be growing up here and facing all these harsh and discriminatory things that happen. It's not fair, and somebody needs to voice their opinion, and whether it's this young man by himself, Mike, out here, and us who were lucky enough to join him, someone has to do it. This country was built on principles that it's equality for every single man, justice and equality for every single man, and lately it hasn't felt like that for over 200 years in this country. So something needs to change, and needs to change now.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. would you like to say something about Black Lives Matter?
All lives can't matter until Black Lives Matter!
Thank you so much, guys. You see, thank you so much. Peace, guys. Peace. Thank you.